With so many different doodle breeds out there, it can be hard to choose which one is the best for your home. The Goldendoodle is the most popular doodle, but did you know that there are also smaller doodles? The Cockapoo is a well-known small breed doodle. You may have done your research on Goldendoodles, but how about today we compare and contrast the Cockapoo to the Goldendoodle. First, we look at the temperaments. Goldendoodles are active, intelligent, and loving dogs. They are loyal to their owners and thrive on your affection. Goldendoodles are easily trained and live a life to please you. Goldendoodles are also laid back, very caring to your needs, which makes them great for families with children. The Cockapoo is another fun-loving doodle breed that thrives off of your affection and attention. The Cockapoo is a perfect blend of the Cocker Spaniel and the Poodle. The Cocker Spaniel gives the best qualities of the outgoing and independence, while the Poodle gives the intelligence and the affection to your Cockapoo. Training and exercise. The Goldendoodle is known for its high intelligence and quick-to-learn attitude. Goldendoodles are ranked as some of the highest in intelligence when it comes to training and performing tasks. They make for magnificent service animals because of their ability to learn. Cockapoos are also easily trained when started early. They enjoy staying busy and having things to do, like performing tasks and keeping their minds stimulated. They are not as active as the Goldendoodle, so they won't need as much exercise. 30 minutes twice a day is plenty for the Cockapoo. Next, we look at size, where the Goldendoodle and Cockapoo vary the most. Goldendoodles come in 3 recognized sizes: miniature, small standard, and large standard. A miniature Goldendoodle will stand 13 to 20 inches tall and weigh 15 to 35 pounds. A small standard can stand 17 to 20 inches tall and weigh 40 to 50 pounds. A large standard Goldendoodle can stand 20 to 24 inches tall and weigh a whopping 50 to 90 pounds. Cockapoos also have 3 sizes: toy, miniature, and standard, or sometimes called maxi. The toy size of the Cockapoo is 10 inches tall and weighs about 12 pounds. The miniature is 11 to 14 inches tall and weighs 13 to 18 pounds, and the standard can get up to 15 inches tall and weigh about 20 pounds. Both the Goldendoodle and the Cockapoo have similar lifespans. Goldendoodles live 10 to 15 years and Cockapoos 12 to 15 years. In both breeds, the smaller dog, the longer it typically lives. Next, we look at grooming. Since both the Goldendoodle and the Cockapoo are hybrids of the Poodle, they have very similar coats and care instructions. Of course, one of the main reasons that you breed with the Poodle is for low to absolutely no shedding. Both the Goldendoodle and the Cockapoo, they'll need regular grooming appointments with a professional groomer. During these appointments, your dog will get bathed, nail trims, and a haircut at the very least. Both dogs have coats that can come in curly, wavy, or straight. Though these doodles are considered hypoallergenic, the straighter the hair is, the more it will shed. Curly and wavy coats have little to no shedding. Last, we look at common health issues. While both of these breeds are considered healthy overall, it is important to know common health issues for each breed. Goldendoodles are prone to having hip and elbow dysplasia, which is common in most large breeds. This dysplasia can turn into arthritis in later years of your dog's life. With Cockapoos, they have a little bit more concerns with health issues. Cockapoos are prone to developing cataracts, hip dysplasia, skin allergies, and liver disease. Not all cockapoos will develop these problems, but being careful in who your breeder is will lessen the likelihood of these things happening to your dog. We hope this video was helpful in trying to determine if the Goldendoodle or if the Cockapoo is best for you and your family.